Hello everyone. So today I'm just going to be sharing some older footage, and unfortunately it's a bit too fast. It's hyperlapse, it's how I recorded it, but I just wanted to share it just in case it is valuable to someone. So I used a tip that is quite large and flat. Normally my petals, the petal tips have a wider bottom and a narrower top, and that was not the case for these. They are not my favorite. However, I did record it, and I like to show you guys a variety of things that are possible. So I used some white to make the flowers, and I really wanted this beautiful sage green background, so that's what I made. And I was really just feeling in the mood to go simple, like ultra simple. Here I'm just adding a little bit of gloss to the centers, and I used some stamens that I bought from Amazon that are for fake flowers, and I don't like them. I've used them now a handful of times, and each time I've used them I have been thoroughly unimpressed. I just don't like them. So I'm thinking I would like to use some wire and paint to make stamens in the future, but I'm working on a couple projects right now, and I want to finish those first, and I'm really excited. I've got some beautiful videos coming for you guys. I'm really excited for those. This is just a short video, and you can see it's almost done, and yeah, very simple, very basic, but it's pretty nice, you know? I enjoyed it. So I'm happy about that. Have a wonderful day, you guys. Thanks for hanging out with me. Bye.